What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today is day 65 of Road to Freedom. You'll see this video probably on a Friday or a Saturday, depending on when I upload this. This is because I didn't edit the video from yesterday today, and I'm not going to edit the video that I make this video today either, so I'm going to try and edit them both tomorrow. So they won't be coming out over the weekend. I want to talk about what I'm doing trading wise at the moment. I'm being honest, I just haven't traded for the last 2 weeks. Well, 2 weeks? Yeah, 2 weeks. Simply because it has actually been impossible for me to trade. Like, the market has just been awful. Price action has just been shocking, and I'm not trying to risk losing money when, I'm not a skilled trader. That's the thing. I'm not a skilled trader. I'm still a beginner, so me trading on the markets now is just not a good idea. Maybe it's good practice, but I think most of the time I'm looking at the charts on market open, and I'm like, the candles have like huge wicks. There's just no like actual price movement. It's not going up or down. It's just sort of staying in the same range, and then maybe doing a move like after we have news. But for example, today we had news. We had high impact news. Yesterday, I think we had news, but I still didn't trade because price action was still awful and I couldn't find an entry. And I was sitting looking at the chart until like 10:30, so there's just no point in that trading. But I have been back testing, so I think my last video or the videos before that I'm going to start back testing more, because I need to get above that average. And I actually wrote down my notebook of what an average trader does, or someone learning to trade, or what they're doing, and what I need to do to become above average in that. So yeah, I just need to back test more. I think that is literally it. The more experience I have on the charts, I think the better I'll become. Because watching videos, I mean, I don't actually watch videos anymore because I just don't know. I think I know enough about the charts, I think. But I think now it's just practice and experience. If I have experience in the chart, I just learn myself. If I know that, the price does that when market opens, it does this, I can sort of just recognise patterns and then learn myself, and then see, I can see different entries and ways that I can make money. But yeah, that is what I've been doing. So I've been back testing, and yeah, regarding other stuff that's going on, over the last 2 weeks, I forgot to mention this, but I've been setting up my investments, because I've come to realise that having my money sit in like a savings, which you earn like 5% interest on, it's great. It's a great way to save, but it's not compounding interest, and it's not going to grow. So I've opened up a investment account, and I've got, I think, 60% in the S&P. I've got 30% in like global markets, and then I've got 10% in gold. And let me know in the comments if you think that's a good ratio of investments. I was looking it up, and I think that's probably the best thing for me right now. Nice. I wouldn't say risk free, but it's definitely very riskless, or risk. What's the right word for that? I don't know, but yeah, right amount of risk for me. So I'm putting £400 aside a month into that. So over 2 years, that's a decent amount of money. Could allow me to move out, which would be good. If I need to get this trading thing working, that's the main goal. Yeah, apart from that, nothing else. Bit of a short video. Nothing interesting has really happened. I've now got a chava trim. Got a fresh trim today. But yeah, that's it. So whenever this video gets uploaded, I'll see you guys. Well, I've got to record another video tomorrow, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.